Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a facial drawing demonstration. Disclaimer, I'm simplifying the process using general measurements, not heavy on the details. My main objective is to get you to pick up a pencil and paper and start drawing. So here you see I started with a round object, about 2 inches, traced it. Then I drew a diagonal line across the face. You can use a ruler to make this line to continue in the vein of using objects to kind of help you as a shortcut to creating the lines or the shapes that you're trying to create. This diagonal line is going to represent the distance from the top of the head to the bottom of the chin, so you don't want to make it too long or too short. Then I draw a curved line, which is representation of the chin. Some diagonal lines going in the opposite direction to line up where the mouth is going to go, where the nose is going to go, and where the eyes are going to go. After this, I'm starting on the outline of the face. So starting from what would be the temple to the jawline, I draw a curved line. I slowed this process down for those who may want to draw along with me. This is what I would call a rough sketch. You don't have to necessarily work the lines the way I'm working the lines. Maybe you can draw them straight out and not go over the line so much, depending on your level of comfortability. I have to make a correction here. This first line that I drew, is more of a reference for me. I didn't draw the mouth there. Here I'm drawing the nose. So it's a reference for me of where I'm going to place the mouth. Circle. A couple of parentheses and a couple of nostrils. Then for the mouth, smaller parentheses, a line that I draw across, which is the split of the mouth. And everything is relationships to each other. So you kind of want to have a reference point. So here I'm drawing 3 circles. It's going to help me shape the lips. Yeah. So here you see me drawing 2 circles free-handed. You can find even smaller objects, if you can, round objects to kind of fit in these lines if you prefer to trace them. And once again, this is a reference point for where I'm going to place the drawing of the eyes. It's not the eyes. So when it's time to erase the lines, the reference lines, those circles are going to be the first to go. Now I'm adding more details, like the eyebrows, touching up the face. I'm using these lines, once again going back to these same guidelines for placement of the ears. It's very important when you initially set up these lines how you do it, because it's going to affect everything afterwards. And just some general indications for the ears. This image is not based on an actual person, so it's kind of a free form approach. Detailing the hairline, which I'm winding down the process at this point. Lastly, I finish up with little touch-ups and details and trace over the image that I want to keep with a pen and erase the guidelines. And this is the result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.